Hello, we are going to talk about GoPro BI system. GoPro BI system has been developed in accordance with modern principles of development data warehouse and BI systems. GoPro BI system, besides main architecture, that is data sources, ETL processes, data warehouse, front-end application, also includes data quality system and master data system. Main part of master data concept is developed in NAV because main source is Dynamics NAV. NAV also includes data quality, that is the process of verifying and reliability and effectiveness of data. But if we need data from other data sources, GoPro BI system has its own master data and data quality system. Master data system is added on standard data warehouse, and data quality is included in ETL and stored procedures. Data warehouse was implemented through ETL processes that periodically migrate data from the operational systems over to the data warehouse database, which includes staging and dimensional data structures. We developed our front-end application reportal that we can use as part of GoPro BI system. Here we can do analysis and create dashboards. We can use any data source for GoPro BI system depending on how the data is packed. We can use data sources like SQL Server database, Oracle database, flat files, Excel files, web sources, XML files, HTML file, etc. We can make connections between different data sources if they are related. We can use more than one data source depending on company's business. We transfer data from data sources to data warehouse using ETL process, that is extract, transform and load. ETL is logical part that enables taking data from mentioned data sources and they are extracting, transforming and loading into data warehouse database that are basic part of GoPro BI system. GoPro BI system uses Dynamics NAV data source as main data source. Also, we can use CRM system, SMS system, B2B, B2C system and all transactional systems. Data warehouse database contains data from all data sources. It is modeled like a star schema in consistence with Kimball's module, and it includes few different modules that are adjusted and connected in accordance with data warehouse module that we want to create and use for further analysis. Data warehouse is basic for GoPro BI system and enables preparation for specific requests and analysis. On the other hand, data warehouse is source for some other technologies like tabular and OLAP. We can create reports and dashboards directly from this database, or we can create OLAP cubes in analysis services and then create reports and dashboards from cubes. When we talk about front-end part of application that clients use, we can use different tools like DataZen, Excel, Power BI Client, Power BI Server, Tableau, and so on. We can use any application that can connect to SQL Server in order to get reports, dashboards, scorecards, KPIs, trends, statistical analysis, and so on. and we can create some specific analysis directly in SQL Server, like calculate standard deviation, percentiles, KPIs. A front-end application is not the only way to do it. When we talk about ETL process, we use Microsoft SQL Server Integration Services. We also use store procedures as logical parts of data warehouse for processing data that comes from ETL process. First, we put partly transformed data to ETL schema. Then, using store procedures, we further process data and transfer it to staging schema. We need staging schema because it contains history of data changes. The last part is data warehouse schema that has defined measures and dimensions in consistence with Kimball's module. This schema enables manipulation through data warehouse as well as some other technologies like tabular and OLAP in SQL Server. Integration services are very wide technology that even enable writing C# code. They also enable data quality on ETL levels. We also use data quality through stored procedures on the next levels in order to get consistent data on star schema. That is our final goal. We will define some advantages of data warehouse structure compared to traditional NAV BI systems. They are historical tracking data changes. None of the information and its changes is not deleted from the data warehouse system. Using Transact SQL, user can directly access data. NAV data structures are not locked during dashboards and reports creation. Users can directly access data from Excel and other tools or front-end application that is used to create reports and dashboards. GoPro BI system contains 280 tables in data warehouse, 8 OLAP cubes, over 70 dimensions, around 800 measures, over 70 predefined reports and dashboards, around 250 stored procedures with over 50,000 lines of code, 11 ETL SQL Server Integration Services packages with over 700 tasks, user guide on 120 pages, etc. GoPro BI system contains 8 OLAP cubes. Inventory cube. Here we can analyze inventory value, quantity, inventory age, inventory turnover ratio, days of inventory, etc. for items and resources. Sales cube. Here we can analyze sales amount, profit, sold quantity by items, customers, salespersons, and so on. General ledger cube. Here we can make financial analysis, compare real and planned values, etc. Debts and claims cube. Here we can see payables and receivables by customers, vendors, and analyze their amounts per due date. Shipment cube. Here we can analyze shipped quantity, shipment count, request quantity per customer's items, and so on. Sales archive cube. Here we can analyze sales amount, profit from sales archive, invoiced quantity, shipped quantity, and so on. Manufacturing cube. Here we can analyze manufactured quantity, input quantity, and compare planned and real input quantity per products, and so on. Stock keeping units. Here we can analyze sales and inventory quantity per stock keeping unit, sales turnover rank, average sales per items, item categories, locations, and so on. We can use many front-end tools to create reports and dashboards. One of them, the most often used, is Excel. We will show some examples that are created for GoPro BI cubes. Here we can see overview of top 10 salespersons. On dashboard we can see profit and sales amount for top 10 salespersons in local currency. In report we can see sold quantity per quarter and per salespersons for the selected units of measure. We can create analysis for selected companies and years. On the second example, we can see sales analysis. On first dashboard, we can see sales amount, profit, and gross margin per year. On first report, we can see sold quantity and sales amount per item categories for 1 year. Second dashboard shows sales amount and profit per 1 year. Second report shows quantity and gross margin during 1 year for top 10 salespersons. We can analyze for specific company, location, and selected year. On the third one, we can see some key performance indicators. For selected year, we can see gross margin, share of total costs, share of sold quantity, share of returned quantity in percent. We can filter for specific company, location, and salesperson. GoPro has developed front-end application Reportal. Reportal enables users to create reports and dashboards by themselves, and then they can place them on web portal. Users can access using any browser and any device, computer, laptop, tablet, and mobile phone with any operating system. We can create reports through Windows Form application that looks like this. When we finished creating of dashboards and reports, we can create a path in Web Application Reportal that looks like this. After logging on system, users can see a set of reports and dashboards that are connected to its role. Then he can analyze dashboards and do pivoting. If you have any questions, you can contact us via phone or email. Also, you can visit our website. Thank you for your attention, and I hope you enjoyed watching this video.